What's up, Slam fam? We're here with the final video of the Ferrari build. If you guys didn't see the other videos, check out the link. We're gonna show you guys mounting the wheels, getting some paint work done, and the final reveal of everything all done. So let's check it out. All right, so the moment that we've been waiting for, the wheels are here. Woo! What's up, guys? The tires arrived for the rotiform wheels for the Ferrari. So I'm going to show you guys, let's get those mounted up and get a test fit on these wheels and make sure everything's fitting correctly. Man, those look good. Got the fresh rubbers on them, making it look very nice. Love it. Looks so good. So as usual, we can't leave anything alone. This is the original rotiform cap that was sent to us. We ended up popping the rotiform logo out. We cut a blank on the laser. That blank will end up getting a Ferrari logo. And then we took it even one step further and made them floating caps. So we decided we're gonna do some paint work on this car. We're gonna end up paint matching the valence to the body. So we're gonna do that red. We're gonna do the same thing with the side skirts. Just gave it a wash, so we'll end up sanding this with 400 and get some paint mixed up and spray that red. That'll give it an overall lower look and look a little bit more aggressive, a little more modern, and I think it's gonna look great on the ground. So we'll show you the process of doing that as well. So we got it all taped up in the booth, all sanded. We're gonna spray that red. Looks like it was red at one point. The front lip, all sanded, fixed, rock chips, everything looking good. Next step, we'll spray some sealer and then spray the red. A lot of taping. Get this thing all sealed up. First coat of sealer is down. That'll lock it in so we can spray the red base coat. And once we spray the base coat, we'll let that flash up and then we'll spray the clear. Just untaped it. Got the red. It looks real nice. Gonna make it look much lower when it's down on the ground. And give it a much more modern look. So here it is finished. The wheels fully installed. The floating caps. Painted skirts and valences. And obviously the air ride. enough to knock it over. What's up, Slam fam? We're here with the final installment of the Ferrari video. If you guys didn't see the other videos, check out the link to those videos. We're going to show you guys the finished product in this video. We're going to mount the wheels and get everything